Students, Shakespeare once said, I cried when I had no shoes, but I stopped crying when I saw a man without a leg. Our life is full of blessings, but sometimes we are not valuing our life. So value whatever you have, whatever strength you are having, without any complaints. In this session, I am going to explain Business Taxation 3rd, 5th semester BCom, Bangalore University syllabus. Business Taxation third chapter is Assessment of the Cooperative Society. We already explained about theoretical part of the Cooperative Society. Now, beginning we will work out problems regarding the computation of tax liability and taxable income. First problem. NSS College Cooperative Society Limited Agra had the following income during the year ended 31st March 2020. Income from the college canteen 10,000. Income from the general mercantile business 43,000. Income from credit facilities given to members 8,000. Interest on government securities 10,000. Taxable income from house property 6,000. Dividend gross on shares held in another cooperative society 5,000. Determine the gross total income, the total income and tax liability of the society for the assessment year 2020-21. First step, determination of the total income. While calculating the gross total income, we should consider 5 heads of income according to Income Tax Act. First one is income from salary, second one is income from house property, third one is income from business, fourth one is income from capital gain, fifth one is income from other sources. In this problem, here cooperative society is an artificial person created by law. So agreement between employer and employee does not exist. So usually income from salary is not given in the problem. Second one, income from house property 6,000. We will get exemption to this income from the house property based on the gross total income limit. Second one, income from business. College canteen business 10,000. Particular cooperative society is having canteen at the college premises. So 10,000 is the college canteen income. General mercantile business income 43,000. Cooperative society is having general business buying and selling activities 43,000. It also provides credit facilities to the members. So total amount collected by giving loan to the members 8,000. So under income from business, total income relating to income from business is 61,000 after adding 10,000, 43,000 and 8,000. Next, usually under section 45, income from capital gain. In this problem, long-term capital gain and short-term capital gain is not given. So we will move to the income from other sources. Under income from other sources, first one is a dividend from another cooperative society. Cooperative society purchased shares from another cooperative society. Whatever dividend received from the cooperative society is taxable under the head income from other sources, but cooperative society will get exemption under section 80P. Interest on government security also 10,000. So total income under income from other sources 15,000. Add income from house property 6,000, income from business 61,000, income from other sources 15,000. So totally, after adding all these three items, you will get gross total income 82,000. Yavattu gross total income tax calculation ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, taxable income ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ. Less deduction admissible under section 80P. Income from credit facilities. Usually, cooperative society is meant for social welfare activities, and helping others is the main helping others, helping to the members are the main motto of the cooperative society. So, income from credit facility will get exemption under section ATP 8,000. We are already entered in the income from business. Once again, deduct income from credit facilities under section ATP. Then income from other business. Usually, almost every cooperative society will get this benefit. If it is a consumer cooperative society, maximum up to 1 lakh. Other than consumer cooperative society, maximum up to 50,000. Dividend from another cooperative society, 5,000. So total deduction available to this cooperative society is 63,000. So we know that gross total income 82,000. Then deduction 63,000. Taxable income is 19,000. Next step, computation of tax liability. Total taxable income 19,000. First 10,000 flat rate 10%, 1,000 cooperative society has to pay tax. Then on the balance of 19,000 minus 10,000 is equal to 9,000. 20% tax 1,800. Together 1,000 plus 1,800, 2,800 is the tax liability. There is no surcharge. Add health and education cess at 4%. Even individual is required to pay health and education cess. Partnership firm or Hindu and divided family is also required to pay health and education cess. Similarly, cooperative society is required to pay 4% health and education cess. 2,800 is a tax liability. Calculate 4%, 112. Total tax liability is 2,912. So, to get exemption under the head income from house property, gross total income should be less than 20,000. Then only assessee will, cooperative society will get exemption to the income from house property. See the note. The income from house property and interest on security is not deductible. Remember here 2 important points. Income from house property and interest on government security is not deductible because the gross total income is more than 20,000. It is assumed that it is not a consumer cooperative society. So income from other business 50,000 only deduction given in this problem. So we assumed that this particular society is not a consumer cooperative society. This is the first problem. Now we will work out one more problem. From the following information related to the income of a cooperative society for the year 1920, you are required to compute its total income and the amount of tax payable thereon for the assessment year 2020-21. Society is primarily engaged in the manufacture of fruit industry, cottage industry. Section 80 PL special privileges in the fruit industry, agro-based industries, fruit products, cottage industry. First one, income from manufacturing and marketing of fruit products 80,000. Interest or deposit with the Central Cooperative Society 16,000. Income from business is 78,000. Income from collective disposal of the labor of its member 16,000. Income from government securities 8,000. Long-term capital gain 25,000. Income from house property 10,000. On an examination of the books of accounts of the society, it has been revealed that it has given a donation of 5,000 by check to the national, what national is given, children's fund. This is the 100% without a limited donation. So entire 5,000 deduction will get under section 80G. Now, solution. Computation of the total income of the cooperative society for the assessment year 2020-2021. Income from salary obviously not given in the problem. Next comes second out of the 5 heads. Second one is income from house property 10,000. Income from business, from manufacturing and marketing of fruit products 80,000. From other business 78,000. From the collective disposal, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Collective disposal of the labor of its members 16,000. Total income under the income from business 1,74,000. Long-term capital gain under section 45 25,000. Income from other sources under section 56. First one, interest on deposit with the Central Cooperative Society 16,000. Interest from government securities 8,000, 24,000. So together, after adding 10,000 Income from business 1,74,000. Long term capital gain 25,000. Income from other sources 24,000. Answer is gross total income. Gross total income is 2,33,000. Second step, calculation of the tax liability. Under section 80G, 100% National Children's Fund, 100% donation will get exemption 5,000. 80P, this is mainly fruit making industries, cooperative society. Income from manufacturing and marketing of fruit products, agro-based industry 80,000. Full amount considered as an exemption under section 80P. Income from collective disposal of the labor of its members 16,000. Here usually each and every cooperative society will get this exemption, income from other business. If it is a consumer cooperative society, maximum up to 1 lakh. Other than consumer cooperative society, we assumed that this particular society is not a consumer cooperative society. So maximum deduction available only 50,000. Interest on deposit with the central cooperative society 16,000. So total deduction 1,67,000. Total income after deduction 66,000. Third step, we will calculate the tax payable, tax liability, computation of tax payable by the cooperative society for the assessment year 2021. Usually long-term capital gain of 25,000 carries 20%. ಅದು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ಗಾಗಿ HUF ಗಾಗಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೇನ್ ಬಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 20%, 5,000. So tax on other income, we are already calculated the taxable income 66,000. Out of 66,000, we are already charged 25,000 tax on long-term capital gain. Deduct 25,000 from the 66,000. Therefore, 66,000 minus 25,000 is equal to 41,000. Now apply cooperative societies tax slab. On the first tax rate is first 10,000 at the rate 10%, 1,000. Next 10,000, 20%, 2,000. Here out of 41,000 we are already charged 20,000 rupees tax. Remaining 41,000 minus 20,000 is equal to 21,000. So next slab, next rate is 30%. 21,000 into 30% is equal to 6,300. Now what is the total tax liability? Under slab 10% 1,000, 20% 2,000, 30% 6,300, together 9,300. Already long-term capital gain we are already levied tax 5,000. Under cooperative society income 9,300, total 14,300. No, there is no surcharge. Health and education cess at the rate of 4%, 14,000 into 4 by 100, 572. Tax payable 14,872. Just see the notes. As the gross total income does not exceed 20,000, income from house property and interest on securities and exemption ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ gross total income less than 20,000 ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. But in this problem, gross total income exceeds 20,000. Therefore, income from house property and interest on security is not deductible. Tax is not deductible at source on interest from other cooperative society and on interest from government securities. Thank you.